Breaking news coming in. Former IPS officer and anti-corruption crusader Kiran Bedi has reached the BJP office along with BJP President Amit Shah. An announcement on Kiran Bedi formally joining the BJP is expected anytime now. These are visuals that we're getting you from the BJP headquarters at Ashoka Road in the national capital. Big developments as the BJP gets ready to announce its list. Amit Shah there on your screens walking along with former IPS officer and anti-corruption crusader Kiran Bedi. Brijesh Pandey, our deputy editor, is with us on the phone line. Brijesh, in fact, getting us those pictures. Brijesh, interesting times, interesting developments happening after Jayaprada. Now Kiran Bedi expected to join the BJP. A formal announcement likely anytime soon.
Well, yes, and this will definitely give a huge fillip to the BJP's campaign in assembly election in Delhi, because Kiran Bedi is a known anti-corruption crusader. And apart from that, she was intrinsic part of the core group, which was the pivotal behind the anti-corruption campaign of Anna Hazare, and from where the Aam Aadmi Party was born. So her campaigning for BJP against Aam Aadmi Party will definitely be politically very advantageous for the BJP as far as Delhi assembly election is concerned.
Right, and Brijesh, over the last few months, we've actually been seeing statements by Kiran Bedi in support of Narendra Modi. Even when he was campaigning for the Lok Sabha elections, he had been announced as the prime ministerial candidate of the BJP. Kiran Bedi had been showering praise on Modi, and at that time also there was speculation about her shifting. Now, of course, the timing extremely right for her, considering that for the battle in the battle for Delhi, the BJP doesn't have too many faces and would like to feel someone as powerful as Kiran Bedi, because by sheer perception she was seen to be at par with Kejriwal when the Anna Hazare campaign had taken centre stage.
Well, absolutely. This has been going on for a while now. I think close to a year, when speculations have been made ever since the last assembly election that Kiran Bedi was also to join BJP, and it's been going on for a very long time now. She has been extremely supportive of all the initiatives taken by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and they seemed like inevitable, and it was a logical end to almost more than 1 year of negotiations. And when Kiran Bedi will today join BJP, it will be a huge fillip and boost for the party, because not only will it get BJP a face, it will get BJP a credible face who was part of the Aam Aadmi Party, who was part of the India Against Corruption, and this was a parent body from where Aam Aadmi Party was born. And so somebody like Kiran Bedi, who comes with that kind of background, if she goes on to criticize Arvind Kejriwal, her words will carry far more credence than most of your normal run-of-the-mill politicians. So indeed, it will be a big boost for the BJP.
Absolutely. Brijesh, stay on with us. We're also getting pictures from the BJP headquarters. A press conference expected to start anytime now. A formal announcement could be made here about Kiran Bedi's induction into the BJP. Brijesh, the other big announcement we're expecting today is about Shazia Ilmi also joining the BJP. Of course, Shazia Ilmi has been keeping her cards close to her chest, saying that she would like to campaign against the Aam Aadmi Party. Not sure if she'd want to join the BJP as yet.
Well, there are certain degree of confusion about the joining date of Shazia Ilmi. What she has been saying since the day before yesterday, she had made it very clear that she wants to expose the corruption of Aam Aadmi Party, and she wants to expose their shenanigans and the way the party used to function. But when she is going to join, it is still clear. But apart from that, she had made her intentions very clear that she will definitely campaign for BJP, and this Shazia Ilmi and Kiran Bedi both joining the BJP will be a big fillip for the party just before the assembly elections in Delhi. Simi?
Absolutely. And Brijesh, the reason why this will be a huge boost for the BJP, apart from the fact that these are known faces, is that the BJP doesn't really have any popular leaders to front its campaign in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party has Arvind Kejriwal, who's a recognized face, but as far as Satish Upadhyay is concerned, who's heading the state unit of the BJP, he's not someone who can draw in the numbers for the BJP. Modi could be the BJP's mascot, but he's not someone who will be active in state politics.
Well, yes, you can say that up to an extent because Arvind Kejriwal is an individual who created a party out of nothing, and the party struck gold. It caught the Aam Aadmi Party's fancy and fascination, and the way it was perceived even during the Lok Sabha, though they did only manage to win only 4 assembly seats. But the fact remains that this particular performance by Aam Aadmi Party and the fact that Arvind Kejriwal also fought against Narendra Modi in Banaras in a very high-pitched battle. So this definitely enhances his stature, and it's definitely the state BJP does not have anybody who can take on Arvind Kejriwal vis-a-vis his stature. So these people joining BJP will, apart from giving them a couple of more very recognized faces, they will also help them to have certain degree of credibility when they expose Aam, because these two people are not ordinary Aam Aadmi Party karyakartas. They are people who have been part of the elite core group within the Aam Aadmi Party. They have been privy to almost every decision that has been taken by and made by Aam Aadmi Party. So when they will speak against Aam Aadmi Party, it will carry a lot of weight and credibility. So the BJP is extremely happy vis-a-vis that front. The face of the Delhi BJP will still remain Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will campaign extensively to see to it that the BJP gets a comfortable majority. Simi?
Absolutely, Brijesh. And the third big announcement for the BJP would probably be on Jayaprada. We in fact spoke to her, our editor South T.S. Satheer, caught up with her in Hyderabad, and she went on record and said she would love to join the BJP. She also said that Amar Singh was negotiating with top party leaders on her behalf and also trying to sign a sort of a package deal for both of them.
Well, her joining will be definitely adding of the star power, but I don't know for sure how influential she is going to be in determining the fate of any assembly election in Delhi, because she is not that. I mean, she is a known actress. She has been a parliamentarian and a politician for a long time now. But what exactly will be her role in influencing the electorate in Delhi assembly election is not that much known. Amar Singh comes with a political baggage. He has a political history, and whether him joining BJP at this point of time might also backfire in a way with the BJP, because the party has been talking of probity, the party has been talking of maintaining high ethical standards, and there are the political baggage of Amar Singh might come as an absolute antithesis of what the BJP is saying. So this political, he might turn into a political hot potato for the BJP. But yes, with Shazia Almi and Kiran Bedi joining the BJP will definitely provide a boost for them.
Right, and Brijesh, what's also emerging is how closely BJP President Amit Shah has himself been in talks with these leaders, trying to win them over, closely sort of monitoring the campaign as far as Delhi elections are concerned.
Well, I think BJP President Amit Shah was not left with much option, because the fact of the matter also remains that Delhi BJP in itself was a divided house, and with intense factionalism ruling the roost. So all these factions had to be brought together if BJP wants to win the Delhi Assembly election. Because apart from that, the fact is that Delhi is kind of a mini India within India, and a loss here would be extremely embarrassing for the BJP per se. So the party doesn't want to, the party wants to go out all out stops to make sure that they win the Delhi Assembly election, and it is because of that Amar Singh has taken BJP President Amit Shah has taken the campaigning committee and every responsibility on his own hand. He's micromanaging most of the decisions which are being taken in order to make sure that the BJP receives a huge fillip and goes ahead and gets a comfortable majority in the Delhi Assembly election. Simi?
Absolutely. And Brijesh, as far as Kiran Bedi is concerned, she arrival at the office along with Amit Shah speaks volumes about how powerful an entity she would probably be in the BJP, what kind of role she would probably get, considering that she's not just somebody who's been associated with Rana Hazare's campaign, but also because she's a former IPS officer, has spoken about policing issues in the national capital on several occasions. Brijesh, stay on with us. We're going to slip into a very short break. We'll be back in just a bit. A press conference about to start. Amit Shah and Kiran Bedi expected to address that presser. We'll be back in just a bit. Do stay with us.
बचपन से ही एक सपना लेकर आगे बढ़ी है.
All right, these are live pictures that we're getting you from the BJP headquarters in the national capital. Kiran Bedi, their former IPS officer, the anti-corruption crusader, sitting there along with the top BJP leaders. Will a formal announcement be made about her induction into the party? That announcement has reportedly been made. So there you have on your screens a new member of the BJP sharing the stage with top BJP leaders at the party headquarters in the national capital.
उनके पास कानून की मास्टर डिग्री है। वह 2 गैर सरकारी संगठन एनजीओ भी चलाती हैं। श्रीमती बेदी न्यूयॉर्क में संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासचिव के साथ पुलिस सलाहकार के रूप में भी काम करती रही हैं। श्रीमती बेदी ने अपराध की रोकथाम, नशीली दवाओं के दुरुपयोग, पुलिस और जेल सुधारों और महिलाओं के मुद्दे पर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंचों पर भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किया है। एक जुझारू महिला हैं। शुरू से ही अपराध के खिलाफ लड़ने का उनका जज्बा रहा है और आज वह एक नई पारी शुरू कर रही हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के परिवार में शामिल होकर।
All right. On your screens are pictures of BJP President Amit Shah sitting next to former IPS officers, anti-corruption crusader Kiran Bedi. Brijesh Pandya, Deputy Editor, is with us on the phone line. Brijesh, interesting developments, extremely crucial for the BJP. Kiran Bedi has now formally joined the party. This will boost the BJP's image as far as elections in Delhi are concerned, and finally the party will also have someone that they can prop up against Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, absolutely. She carries a lot of history with her. She is a Magsaysay Award winner. She has done police reforms while she was the DG of Tihar. Apart from that, she also runs an NGO which has done exemplary work. And the best part is that she has been involved with the NGO called India Against Corruption, which was the founding NGO which led to the fight of Hazare against corruption, of which Arvind Kejriwal and almost everybody was part of it. So Kiran Bedi coming from that stellar, and she also carries a lot of reputation, and I wouldn't be wrong if I say that right now, after her joining Delhi BJP, she is by the second she joins in formally by dialing that BJP mobile number, which will make her a formal member of the BJP. She stands to be the tallest state BJP leader as far as Delhi Assembly election is concerned. And if the BJP does well, she not only carries the stature, she also has an administrative experience to be an effective Delhi chief ministerial candidate. So her joining the BJP is definitely good news for the BJP.
Absolutely. Brijesh, stay on with us. A small speech by Amit Shah and Kiran Bedi likely now. Let's listen in.
मंच पर उपस्थित भारत सरकार के वित्त मंत्री श्रीमान अरुण जी, भारत सरकार के मंत्री डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन जी, दिल्ली प्रदेश के अध्यक्ष श्रीमान प्रभात झा और आज ही श्री विजय गोयल जी, और आज ही अभी जिन्होंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी में प्रवेश लिया है, ऐसी किरण बेदी जी और मीडिया के मित्रों, आज किरण जी ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सदस्यता ग्रहण करी है, तो इसके लिए मैं पार्टी की ओर से उनका हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं। और मैं मानता हूं कि किरण जी के भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आते ही दिल्ली भारतीय जनता पार्टी यूनिट को बहुत बड़ी मजबूती मिलेगी। दिल्ली के चुनाव में जनता की जो अपेक्षा है उसको, इसकी परिपूर्ति के लिए हमें एक अच्छा साथीदार मिलेगा और आने वाले दिनों में दिल्ली का चुनावी जंग और उसके बाद में दिल्ली की नई बनी हुई सरकार, दोनों जनता की अपेक्षा पर ठीक से खरे उतरे, इसके लिए किरण जी का रचनात्मक योगदान भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बहुत काम आएगा। आज उन्होंने जो फैसला किया है उसके बारे में बाद में वही बताएगी, मगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पूरा दिल्ली यूनिट किरण जी के आने से हर्ष का अनुभव कर रहा है और सब लोग ऐसा मानते हैं कि किरण जी के आने से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के यूनिट को बड़ी ताकत मिलेगी। मैं अरुण जी से भी निवेदन करूंगा थोड़ा आपसे बात करें, बाद में आप लोगों को कोई पूछना हो तो मुझे जरूर पूछेगा।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सदैव ये प्रयास रहा है कि समाज में जो अनुभवी, विश्वसनीयता वाले और अच्छे लोग माने जाते हैं वो पार्टी के साथ जुड़े। और पिछले 2-3 दशकों से अन्य पार्टियों की तुलना में हम ये प्रयास करते रहते हैं। जो लोग राजनीतिक क्षेत्र के बाहर भी काम करते हैं, लेकिन जिन्होंने उन क्षेत्रों में नाम भी कमाया है, विश्वसनीयता भी कमाई है, वो राजनीतिक क्षेत्र में आए और पार्टी के साथ जुड़े। हमारी पार्टी के साथ ये हमेशा से एक विशेषता रही है। इसी उद्देश्य के साथ किरण बेदी जी से भी पार्टी ने संपर्क रखा हुआ था और हमें इस बात का हर्ष है कि उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया कि मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी में शामिल होंगी। किरण जी दिल्ली में नहीं, पूरे देश में उनके नाम से लोग परिचित हैं। सरकारी पुलिस सेवा में रहते हुए उनका एक प्रशासन, गवर्नेंस के संबंध में एक अनुभव है। उनकी एक क्रेडिबिलिटी, विश्वसनीयता की एक छवि है। और एक क्रूसेडर के रूप में उनका करियर सरकार में भी और जब रिटायरमेंट हुए उसके बाद भी एक प्रकार से रहा है। कुछ वैल्यूज के साथ भी वो जुड़ी हुई है। वैसे तो दिल्ली में जब भी चुनाव होते थे तो अक्सर स्पेक्युलेटिव न्यूज समाचार आते थे कि क्या किरण बेदी जी जैसा व्यक्ति भी चुनाव में उतरेगा। हम लोगों को खुशी है कि पार्टी के साथ जुड़ने से उन्होंने सामाजिक जीवन में वो थी, पब्लिक लाइफ में थी, लेकिन राजनीतिक तंत्र के माध्यम से उस समाज की सेवा करना, ये नया दायित्व अब अपनाया है। पार्टी में हम लोग उनका स्वागत करते हैं और ये मानते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ऐसे अनुभवी और विश्वसनीय व्यक्ति के साथ शामिल होने से काफी शक्ति और ताकत मिलेगी। धन्यवाद।